Hey guys, this is Sunny with Mixcat Computers, and I just want to take a second here and show you one of our latest custom built towers. It's really pretty with all those LED lights. It has glass on the side and on the front, shows very well. Basically, if you're a gamer, a video editor, or if you need to use any intensive graphics programs, this will be perfect for you to handle it no problem at all. What we did with this one is we put Windows 10, has an i5 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, 120 gig solid state drive, 2 terabyte as the secondary. We put a Sapphire Nitro Radeon RX 470 graphics card, 4 gigs GDDR5 that supports overclock, and it has a 650 watt power supply, built-in Wi-Fi that supports 5G, 2 HDMI ports, 2 display ports, and DVI. Really, this thing will handle up to 6 monitors, no problem, like if you're a day trader, something like that. It's really beautiful. If you want us to build you a custom tower, just let us know what your needs are, and we'll be happy to make some suggestions and give you a free quote. Thanks, guys.